Hey guys, Gill again. Today I'm over at Empire East in Noodle. I'm going to go inside and interview some real customers and see what they have to say about Empire East. Let's go inside and check it out. I go around and I interview people at different restaurants to see what they like and their opinions. Have you ever eaten here before?
Yes, I order at least once or twice a week. I like this place.
Once or twice a week? What's your go-to? What is it?
I personally like the ramen noodle soup with the chicken dumplings, but they make good General Chow's chicken. I mean, a lot of their stuff is really good here.
It's fresh. I was just in the back. They make everything fresh daily. So ramen noodle soup with chicken?
Chicken dumplings.
Chicken dumplings. We got to try that one. Once or twice a week. So you're hearing it from people that live in the neighborhood. This is a great place to try.
Yeah, absolutely.